If you want a crossover that offers more than you'd hope for, at a price you've only dreamt of, look no further than this 2009 Nissan Murano. Pack up your gear using the split-folding rear seat. Hop into the powered driver's seat and hit the road. Enjoy the smooth ride, listening to your favorite music with a 6-disc CD changer. Relax in your desired climate-controlled environment and enjoy peace of mind with multiple airbags and an anti-theft system. It's clear no detail in this Murano has been overlooked.
It's too hot. It's too cold. Not anymore with Dual Zone Climate Control. The CD changer lets you change things up for the perfect soundtrack. Set it and forget it with the climate control.
This Murano is sure to not only meet but exceed your needs. Hurry in today and take it for a test drive.
Whether you're buying today or just shopping at Metropolitan Ford, you can expect to experience something truly unique. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located near 494 and Highway 5 in Eden Prairie.